What is the vagus nerve? The vagus nerve, cranial nerve X, is the longest cranial nerve connecting the brain to multiple organs: heart, lungs, gut, liver, and digestive tract. It forms a key part of the parasympathetic nervous system, PNS, responsible for rest, recovery, and balance. Often called the wandering nerve, from Latin vagus, meaning wandering, because it branches extensively throughout the body. Functions of the vagus nerve: cardiac, heart rate regulation, relaxation after stress; respiratory, breathing rhythm control; digestive, stimulates gut movement, enzyme release; inflammatory, reduces inflammation through the cholinergic anti-inflammatory pathway; emotional regulation, modulates stress, anxiety, and promotes calmness; social connection, supports empathy, communication, and better emotional resonance. Importance of vagal tone. Vagal tone refers to the health and efficiency of your vagus nerve function. High vagal tone, better stress regulation, strong emotional balance, sharper decision making. Low vagal tone, anxiety, stress reactivity, poor focus, and higher risk of chronic diseases. Methods of vagus nerve stimulation. Here are proven techniques for natural vagus nerve stimulation. Physical stimulation. Deep diaphragmatic breathing. Inhale deeply 4 to 5 seconds, hold 1 to 2 seconds, exhale slowly 6 to 7 seconds. Triggers parasympathetic relaxation instantly. Cold exposure. Splash cold water on face or short cold showers for 20 to 30 seconds. Stimulates vagal tone and sharpens focus. Humming, chanting, or singing. Om chanting or soft humming vibrates the vocal cords connected to the vagus nerve. Gargling. Gargle with water for 30 to 60 seconds daily. Simple yet effective mechanical stimulation. Yawning or slow neck stretches. Activates the nerve gently, improving circulation and signaling relaxation. Mindful practices. Meditation. Mindful meditation reduces sympathetic overdrive and increases vagal activity. Visualization. Visualize calm scenes like a beach, temple, or nature while breathing deeply, enhances parasympathetic response. Prayer and mantra recitation. Steady chanting like Om Namah Shivaya induces rhythmic vagal stimulation. Lifestyle support. Yoga, especially pranayam, anulom vilom, or Brahmari. Regular exercise, walking, light jogging, boosts vagal resilience. Nutrition, high omega-3 fatty acids, probiotics, and low-inflammatory foods. Sleep, deep and restorative sleep enhances vagal tone. Important aspects of safe stimulation. Start gently. Overstimulation can cause dizziness or nausea. Practice regularly, but moderately. Consistency matters more than intensity. Combine physical stimulation, breath, humming, with mental focus for deeper results. Avoid overuse if you have heart rhythm disorders. Consult a physician. Mind and meditation practices for leadership boost. Vagal breathing meditation for leaders. Practice 10 minutes daily. Sit straight, spine aligned. Inhale deeply for 4 seconds, exhale for 7 seconds. While exhaling, mentally repeat your leadership affirmation. I lead with calm clarity. Coherence meditation. Use heart rate variability, HRV, coherence breathing. Inhale for 5 seconds, exhale for 5 seconds. Imagine breathing through your heart while thinking of gratitude or compassion. It builds emotional regulation and empathy, essential leadership traits. Chanting for focus and grounding. Sit quietly, and chant Om slowly for 5 minutes. The vibration naturally stimulates the vagus nerve and centers your attention. Visualization with vagal stimulation. While doing deep breathing, visualize yourself leading a calm team meeting, overcoming challenges with clarity, spreading positive energy around you. This anchors calmness and confidence in your neural circuits. Leadership mindset benefits of vagal stimulation. Calm focus makes better, rational decisions under stress. Empathy and communication enhances emotional intelligence and team trust. Resilience adapts to crises without emotional burnout. Creativity and clarity opens space for innovative problem solving. Presence and mindfulness builds charisma and confidence in leadership interactions. Suggested daily routine. Morning. Deep breathing, gratitude visualization, 10 minutes. Midday. Humming, chanting, quick breath focus, 5 minutes. Evening. Coherence meditation, heart breathing, 10 to 15 minutes. Before sleep, reflection and slow breathing, 5 minutes. Vagus nerve is a bridge between body, mind, and leadership performance. Daily gentle stimulation builds calm resilience and sharper focus. Combining breathwork, sound, and meditation creates a holistic leadership growth loop. Consistency is more valuable than intensity for long-term transformation.
If this series has helped you reflect, grow, or reimagine your leadership, please leave a rating and share it with your network. If this inspired you, share it with someone who leads with their heart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow our series, Reinvent Yourself and Conceal the Leader Within. Let's bring back value-based leadership, one story at a time.